Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome friends. This is a 32-in Panasonic HD-ready LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint is picture freezing issues because of internal shorting in vGh, VGL between vGh odd and vGh even signals. Using a temporary modification method by performing small alteration in the Levelshifter IC in the T-Con board we fix this issues. See friends, this TV comes with a 32-inch HD-ready LG panel. This is the T-Con. As we discussed earlier, this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement. We can't predict how long the display will work using this method, it completely depends on user luck basis. Here in this you can see the VGH odd and VGH even test points. Both test points, the VGH and VGL voltages, will appear simultaneously as a pulsing voltages. Here while checking we observed that when VGH voltage enters in VGH even test point it shows picture freezing. At the same time VGL will be in VGH odd. So to repair we need to cut down VGH odd and VGH even test points tracks from Levelshifter IC. See, finally we cut down the VGH odd and VGH even tracks from T-Con board. So to panel side, here we bypassed VGH voltage to VGH odd track to panel side. Now the work is done. Here you can see while checking with picture, now the complaint is removed and picture freezing issue is solved successfully. Now work is done. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.